Hey guys, so I'm here doing a headlight restoration on the minivan. So I will show you what you need, how to do it, using Meguiar's products. So what you'll need, first off, is some glass cleaner, paper towel. Clean your headlight off first, and then what I have is the Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Heavy Duty, so it takes off more corrosion. You get your regular drill. And then you'll need some painter's tape and paper to mask off the area. So, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing is, you're gonna take your glass cleaner, clean your headlight, get any dirt or debris off of it. And once that's done, put that aside, and you're gonna wanna mask off your headlight area. Just take your paper, rip it up into pieces that you can use. So take big sheets like that, and then just tape around it, sort of deal. So then when you sand it, you're not gonna affect your paint, especially if you care about your paint. So we'll do that. Okay, so once you have this all taped off, now we can start the process. That was a pain, but okay. So first step is you're gonna unbox your polish kit. So you get a microfiber cloth, get your instructions, get your application pad and sandpaper pads, then you get your plastic polish, your headlight protector, then you get your buffing pad for the drill, and of course you're going to need your drill as well. So, and a cup of water. Don't forget a cup of water or a spray bottle, either one. So your first step is, as I was saying, first off you're gonna want to clean any debris. So use your glass cleaner. The red one is 1000 grit. So you're gonna dip our spray. So here's the water. I just dip it right in there. So then it gets wet. Then you're gonna take it and go side to side motions with overlapping. And you're gonna have to get pretty aggressive and go full strokes. And make sure the sandpaper stays wet, so dip it back in. Or use a spray bottle and spray it on the headlight. But I don't have an extra spray bottle. And you're gonna want to get pretty aggressive with it. And wipe the headlight with the microfiber. Then take your 3000 grit, place it on, and dunk it in your water. With the 3000 you want to go up and down. Take your microfiber, wipe this off. You want to go fast, or you want to go gentle. So then you're going to take your plastic polish and apply a nickel-sized amount on the center. So about that. And you're going to do small spots at a time. So what we're going to do is you're going to rub it in by hand first. We'll just start off with this area. Then you're going to start spinning it in a controlled motion. Then take your microfiber and wipe it off. So as you can see right here, the difference already. So then you keep applying nickel-sized spots on here. Start by hand, and we'll keep doing that. So now you can see how clear it is. So now you're going to take your headlight protectant and a cotton towel. I forgot to include that. So apply a small amount. You're going to want to apply it on the headlight. And then take your microfiber and wipe it off. So, now as you can see how clear this is, if we go over here, look how dirty this is. Now on the camera, it looks a little bit clearer, but in person, there's a huge difference. So now we got the other side done. As you can see, super crystal clear now. Not brand new, but it damn sure looks good.